What's up guys, Louis Gall here with eXp Realty. We're here today with another amazing local company. This is the Granite Doctor. I've never seen anything like this before. And this is the owner, Mark. He is amazing. And Mark, tell us a little bit about your company.
Yeah, sure. Basically we work with existing countertops. We fix cracks, chips, we polish surfaces. You know, sometimes people want to sell their homes. So we bring back to life their existing stone. So if they want to modify sinks, cutouts, and we can do it without replacing your counters. So that's what we do.
That's amazing. I've never seen something like it. If you need to check it out, the Granite Doctor, he is the #1 person to go to for this stuff. Again, this is Louis Gall with eXp Realty. Check out this amazing company, granite-doctor.com. You can follow it in the link below. Check them out, they're amazing.